morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Ah, Before going home, it's already 7 o'clock here in the Philippines. So help me please open my delivery from Shopee. Guess what? What is this? Ito na siya guys, yung shake in 3. Shake and take 3. So, we have 2 bottles here. And then, yung pinaka-shaker niya. So, yan. Very portable na gamitin. Actually, meron ako nito sa bahay. Ginagamit ko sa bahay. And then, ito, gagamitin ko dito sa office. It's only 300 pesos, imagine. Pero, nag-canvas na ako nito sa supermarket, sa department store, or sa ano. Ang cost niya is 1.2. Mukhang kamukha lang naman. Gumagana naman. So, 300 lang, di ba? Ang laki ng difference. This is from Shopee. Try nyo yung Shopee application. 300 pesos, imagine. You have small blender na. Kasi gagamitin ko to for fruits, vegetables, siya kung gagawing lunch or breakfast here in the office. Diba? It's okay.